Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. Now in this video I want to show you how you can create a WhatsApp group and add mass contact to it. Now you can see on my screen I have about 137 contacts here. These people, I don't have their names stored in my Google contact. And at the same time I want to create a WhatsApp group and add all this number to that group. How, in the most efficient way, how can I achieve this? Now you know that WhatsApp itself does not have this inbuilt feature, but we can work around it. So let's go and see how we can create that group and add all this contact in the most efficient way. Now click on your browser and go to your browser and then click on this Google app. Now you see all the Google applications, and then go to contact, click on contact. You have your contact this way, and then click on new, create new, and then you have something, that a form that you have to fill that pop up this way. So all you have to do is that just enter a name. Let me just use GB group, and then the last name, let me just say 1. That's group 1. I just want to use that name. Of course you can use any other name, and then what I will do is that I'll copy the first contact here. I'll simply copy this and go back to the form, and then I'll paste in the phone number here, and then I'll simply say save. Now after saving, the contact has been saved. After saving, you have this, and then you have this icon where you can edit, delete, and do some other things. So what I will do is that I will click on these 3 dots, and then I will have this print and export. So what I will do is that I will simply click on export. I want to export it as a Google CSV file. I will click on export, and then I have it this way. So I'll open it as the contact, and then I have it. So what you do is that I have this. You can see everything that's in the Google contact, where you have the name and every other stuff, and then here you have where you have the phone numbers. So what you can do is that simply go to your contact where you have in the Excel sheet and copy the rest of the contact. I simply copy the rest. I say Ctrl C, and then I'll go back to my Google contact here where we have the value, phone number, and then I will paste. So I have all the 137 contacts pasted in that place, and then also I'll give it a name. I'll simply give it a name. So let me delete this. I'll just say GP1, and then GP2, and then I'll simply drag this down just to give it a common name. So I'll simply drag it down to, I think, this place. So let me check if I'm right. Yeah, of course I'm right, to 137. So I have all this, and then I have it. So what I will do is that I'll simply save. I'll save it. I'll simply save the worksheet, and then I'll go back to my Gmail, and then I'll click on import here. I'll click on this import, and then I'll select the file, that CSV file that I just saved all the contact into. I'll select the file, and I'll click on open, then I'll click on export. So you can see here that the contact is being exported. Just wait for it, and then we have it. Now all the number now are now saved in our Google contact. So I have that total number here. You can see 137 contact has been imported into my contact, the Google contact. So let's go on to the WhatsApp and add them. So follow me and don't skip any part of this video. Thank you. I simply open my WhatsApp and then I will then go to the group. I've created that group which I want to, of course, add those people, those contacts too. So I've created that group and this is this group. So I'll simply click on it. I'll see the details and then under members, I'll click on members and then I'll click on add members. And then when you search for the contact that we imported, then you should begin, of course, it should of course update automatically. You can see all those contacts, all those people are here. So you can now go ahead and add them to the group. So thank you guys. If you have learned anything in this lesson, if you think that this is useful, come on, give me a thumbs up. Thank you.